Getting sick is never fun, and when vomiting hits, it can feel overwhelming and exhausting. Whether it's motion sickness, food poisoning, the flu, or morning sickness, the big question is always the same. How do you stop throwing up and start feeling better fast? In this video, we'll walk through simple, proven strategies, from relaxation techniques and smart food choices to effective medications that can calm your stomach, rehydrate your body, and get you back on your feet. Medication. Take Dramamine, dimenhydrinate, 30 to 60 minutes before travel to prevent motion sickness, dizziness, and nausea. Take acetaminophen for pain-related vomiting, as it's gentler on the stomach than NSAIDs. Only use it if you hadn't had nausea from it before. Ask your doctor about a scopolamine patch. Worn behind the ear, it prevents nausea for up to 3 days. Apply 4 hours before travel, but be aware of side effects like dry mouth, drowsiness, and dizziness. Take over-the-counter Emitrol to calm an upset stomach, usually 1 to 2 tablespoons for adults. It's safe for kids, but check with your doctor if you're pregnant. Drinking. After vomiting, sip small amounts of water to stay hydrated without triggering more nausea. You can also suck on ice chips as a gentle alternative. Drink clear liquids with electrolytes like Gatorade, Pedialyte, or vitamin water to rehydrate after vomiting. Sip slowly, and other good options include tea, broth, apple juice, or flat ginger ale. Avoid caffeinated, carbonated, and acidic drinks like soda, coffee, and orange juice because they can worsen nausea and trigger more vomiting. Drink ginger tea to ease nausea. Use pure ginger tea bags or fresh ginger root and sip the lukewarm tea slowly for relief. For babies, offer 1 tablespoon of an electrolyte solution every 15 to 20 minutes. For young kids, give 1 to 2 tablespoons or small sips of diluted juice, broth, or light soda. If there's no vomiting for 8 hours, you can slowly resume breastfeeding, formula, or bland foods like rice and toast, and after a full day without sickness, return them to their normal diet. Relaxation techniques. Place a cool, damp cloth on your forehead or neck to calm your system, ease fever, and relieve nausea. Avoid ice packs as they can be too harsh on the body. Get some fresh air and take slow, deep breaths to ease nausea. Step outside or sit by an open window and try simple breathing exercises to calm your stomach. Ground yourself with touch to shift focus from feeling sick. Simple actions like pinching your arm or tapping your thigh, pulling on your hair, biting your lower lip can help distract your mind. Try acupressure for nausea by pressing or massaging the inner wrist. You can also press your wrists together or use acupressure bands. It may help, though results vary. Diffuse lemon or peppermint oil to ease nausea. Aromatherapy relaxes your system. Lemon oil may help during pregnancy, while peppermint oil can calm nausea from chemotherapy or hospitalization. Eating. Follow the brat diet: bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast for gentle, bland foods that ease nausea. Dry crackers or plain toast also help settle the stomach. Eat small portions before full meals. Start with bland foods like crackers or applesauce, then add light options like gelatin or soup. If tolerated, gradually return to normal meals, eating a little every few hours. Suck on mint or sour candies to ease nausea. They freshen your mouth, calm queasiness, and can help during morning sickness or chemotherapy. Chew or sip ginger to calm nausea. Try ginger tea, candy, or gum. Just make sure it's real ginger, not artificial flavoring, for the best effect. Avoid acidic, spicy, fatty, or hard-to-digest foods like fast food, fried meals, and jalapenos, as they can worsen nausea. Skip dairy if you have diarrhea, and avoid mixing hot and cold foods. And when to see a doctor. See a doctor if your vomiting lasts more than 2 days, or sooner for children, just 24 hours if they're under 2, and 12 hours for infants. Seek urgent care if you experience severe pain, dehydration, or dizziness. And call 911 right away if vomiting comes with chest pain, a high fever and stiff neck, or blood in the vomit. Thanks for watching.